This wall-mounted faucet is made of brass, and I have it in the matte black color. It comes with instructions for installation, as well as a list of everything that is included in the package. It comes with a pair of gloves that you can choose to wear while installing it so you don't get fingerprints on it. The shower head itself is wrapped in this very nice soft bag to protect it. And then this is what the shower head looks like. It is square and matte black and very large. It also comes with this hand shower attachment that you can use attached with the hose, which also has a nice heavy metal feel to it. It's not plasticky, so that is very nice quality. And then that attaches on the end of this hose. This is the extension arm that you would use to attach the shower head to. And then it comes with the plumbing that you will need to install it into your wall, which has this cover plate that you would place over top so that it looks nice and finished. And then it also comes with this little bracket that works together with the hose and shower head to mount this in your shower. Overall, this shower head is very great quality. I love the matte black finish, so I can recommend it.